guys, welcome to the third episode. I'm Hadley, this is Matt. We're going to do an excellent video today. This might be like, this will blow your socks off.
This will blow your socks off. And what's that channel called?
Super Stuff!
Now, Hadley's just mentioned it's our third video. We might need to stop saying that though, hadn't we? Because what happened when we get to our cajillion 457 millionth video? It's going to make for a really long intro, isn't it? Welcome to our 7,467,847,000 million video.
And when we'll get to our 15th video, we'll be like, welcome to our 15th video.
I mean, hopefully, I want to keep making them. Do you want to keep making them?
Yeah, I want to make 1,000 videos.
1,000 right, that's it. Then we're going to make 1,000 videos. There you go.
That would be impossible.
Okay, so just like before, we got to cool science experiments, awesome outdoors time,
Free time, creative time,
time,
news around the
globe, news and facts. Okay, right, so first things first, this today is probably the simplest experiment we've done so far. All you need today is one thing, one simple thing that you will have in your house.
A kiss.
Oh,
I'm joking.
That's lovely though. Yeah, that's lovely. Right, what do we need, Hadley? You don't know? I'm going to tell you. We need a piece of paper. Whoa! Where did that come from?
That came from a plane, obviously.
Dropped out of a plane, definitely. So
maybe that dropped past in the blast and then it opened in the sky and then it came all the way through the roof. Yeah.
Maybe.
Because the roof might be made out of quicksand that it can float through.
Definitely. Now, in a second, you're going to pause this video because we want you to do this along with us. So pause the video and go and get a piece of paper now. Pause.
Now. Pause.
Don't think we're paused.
Are we like this?
Think we're paused.
How many times can you fold a piece of paper?
In half. How many times can you fold this paper in half? So half and half again. Have a think about it.
Half.
If you've got somebody there with you, ask them, see what they think. Yeah. Let them ask you. How many did you think it was at first?
I thought it was 40 times.
40 times?
And then I thought 10.
Then you thought 10, which sounds sensible. Yeah? Should we have a go? So here we go. Can you make your first fold in half? Must be in half. Doesn't need to be super neat.
It is in half.
In half. That's one fold. Yeah?
Oh,
one. So now we're going to go again. So fold it in half. Corner to corner, side to side. So it makes a rectangle. 2 folds. Yeah? 2 folds. That's all right. Still quite thin. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Are you still thinking it's the same number that you thought it was earlier?
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Then you're going to fold it again in half to make another rectangle. There we go. There's 3 folds. 3 folds, yeah? Get a bit smaller, but that's still pretty good. 3 folds.
3 folds.
What we do next then, Hadley?
Now we fold it again.
Fold it again.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. There you go.
4 folds.
4 folds. Oh, it's a bit small now, but 4, 5. Do you feel like you can fold it again?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
5.
5 folds. It's getting a bit thicker now.
I'm going to sit on it. I have to sit on it.
Okay.
I have to sit on it.
Okay.
It's not good. I'm going to wait a second.
Oh. Right, so how many folds?
That's 5.
How many folds have you done? I think you've, along with us, 5. Do you still think it's the same number that you thought of earlier? Hadley first thought 40, then 10.
I thought 10.
We're at 5 now and it's getting a bit small. Ready? Fold again.
6.
Oh, mind your teeth. 6, that's pretty tight now.
6.
Do you think you can do it again? Ready?
I can't do it again.
6. I'm going to get it on the corner of the table. 6. 7. I think that's not even a fold. There you go.
6.
6. Now,
I was right.
do you want to know an even better fact than that? So you can fold a piece of paper 6 to 7 times. It doesn't matter what size the paper is. If this paper was the size of a football pitch, how many times could you fold it?
6.
6 to 7 times. If it's the size of a postage stamp, how many times could you fold it?
6 to 7. Even if it was the size of this house, still 6 to 7.
Still 6 to 7. It doesn't matter what size the paper is. That's the cool fact. You can only fold a piece of paper 6 to 7 times. In half, sorry, in half.
No. There you go, guys. That's how you fold a piece of paper 6 to 7 times.
Yeah, so, once again.
It is simple.
So, if you want to, we would now say again, comment below, but can't comment on kids' videos. So if you want to let us know how big your paper was and how many times you managed to fold it in half, go to our Twitter page here. And leave a comment and we'll come back to you. Don't forget, if at the end it's got in brackets H, then Hadley's commented. If it's in brackets an M, then I've commented. If there's an experiment you've seen in a book or online you want us to have a go at, no matter how big or messy or how simple, let us know and we'll go. Leave a comment on some things that you're doing. Send us some pictures of some really cool science experiments that you're doing at home. You still trying to fold the paper?
I folded it 7 times.
But as always, guys, we're going to have some free time. 3, 2, 1.
Bam, bam, get it. You want to dance? Bam, bam, bam. You want to dance? Bam, bam, bam. You want to dance? Bam, bam, bam. You want to dance, show. Where do you think I am? Hey!
Do you want to take it down the slide in the tunnel?
Yeah. Did you like him? Was that good? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go down. Let's go down the orange slabby. Guys, you okay? I dropped you. That's bad, isn't it? Oh, no.
Welcome to Super Simple Stuff News.
It's me, Peter.
It's me.
Good name.
I just said that on the last one. Mercury is not actually the hottest planet because I know it's the closest to the sun, but Venus is the hottest planet because it has some atmosphere and Mercury does not.
While we're still on the subject of space, the largest mountain in the whole of our solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons, and it's taller than Mount Everest.
Venus flytraps spits the fly skeletons out when they eat the fly.
And back to space. A space shuttle going around the Earth doesn't fly around, it falls off the edge of the Earth constantly. And that's it from
Me.
So that's it from me.
That's it for me.
Super Simple Stuff News out. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. We've had a load of fun making the video again today. Hadley, what's your favourite part?
The news bullet.
The news bulletin. The news bulletin's always really funny. If you've got some news you want to send to us, then again, go to our Twitter page, which is here. And drop a comment and we'll come back to you. Thanks once again. We'll see you very soon.
Before you go, what kind of key opens the door to Christmas Day? What
kind of key opens the door to Christmas Day? I don't know. Turkey, there you go. Joke of the day as well. If you've got a joke that you want to send to us, get on the Twitter, we'll reply. I'm sure we'll find it really funny. Once again, thanks. Super Simple Stuff.
Super Simple Stuff out!
As with all our videos, folks, we've got some outtakes. Take a look at them. They're coming up right
now. I can use this as a scarf.
While we're still on while we're still on the subject of space, six. Let's stay this way, won't we, today?
I just want my paper on.
Ready?
Hi guys, you want to dance?
Stop recording.
Dance? No, it was already green till I pressed record. It was, green.
Oh, we didn't do our names. So go to our